Hey Dominic, we've got your 89 Mustang 5.0 computer here, A9S, California model. And I got it hooked up to the bench tester, and let's see what happens. This is power, this is the check engine light, and this is fuel pump operation. Pump should run for 1 second when we turn it on. And it does. It's got the 5 volts coming out of the 5 volt regulator, that's correct. Check engine light's on, that's correct. Now if we put it in code pulling mode, we should see the pump shut off here in a second, and then the light will freak out for a minute, and then it'll start spitting out some trouble codes. There we go. So that's all working pretty good. The computer's overall functional. And here's your board. I see something kind of interesting in here. I see a lot of gold discoloration. It makes me think maybe this thing got a little bit warm down in that corner for some reason. It's not too typical. And that's what she looks like. Overall, pretty excellent condition. Let's see if I can do this with one hand and get it out of here so we can put it on the bench and have a better look at those capacitors. I can already tell you they look great. Okay. There's your first capacitor. Sorry, trying to do this with 2 hands when I need 3. I might just want to look at it like this. Get some light on it here. Something there I'm trying to capture clumsily with one hand here. Yeah, there's some goop. See that 2 or 3 drops of black goop there on the leg of that capacitor? Or on the solder pad? That shouldn't be there. That's probably leakage of the capacitor. It's just really early on. Spit out a little bit there. Okay. So even though it looks really good and hasn't corroded yet, it's already showing signs. Let's see if we can see the other side of that capacitor. This is the middle capacitor if you're paying attention. And the other leg looks pretty good. No, it does not look good. It's not bad, but there is a little corrosion down there. See that? The clear coat, the conformal coating, is sort of peeling up. That's that kind of opaque white look you see. The coating's peeled up because there's corrosion under it. That foot of that capacitor is corroding. There's a little better idea what a better one looks like, although that one's got some corrosion on it too from the same capacitor leaking. See if I got another component there. See, these are good components, right? There's no problem there. All the solder joints are nice and clean where this chip meets the board. And the conformal coating, the clear coat that's over it, that's what all those little green specks, you see the light green specks, they're like a dust they put in the clear coat. I guess it makes it easier to see the clear. But see, that's how it's supposed to look. The clear coat is clear. When you look at this capacitor, that clear coat is opaque. And that fluid's starting to run over here and get on the leg of that capacitor. And on the leg of that one. So it is starting to attack, but in the very early stages, so we're good. Now the next capacitor is this guy up here at the top. And to be honest, he looks quite good. Nice clean pads. And then the third capacitor, towards the bottom down here. Where are you? There you are. It's got this gold tinge to him, like maybe heat got to it a little bit. But those capacitors look pretty good. That might be... yeah, maybe a little sign of leakage there. See the black kind of infringing on that, on that right square capacitor leg. That's early levels of corrosion. I think maybe the other leg's not bad, but that right leg has a little bit of black funk on it. All right, so overall, she's in great shape. Should be totally rebuildable. I think we're going to have a great outcome here. And just a little early stages of corrosion on at least 2 of the 3 capacitors. Very good. I think it's going to work great for you.